Being a carbon fanatic, I'm pretty impressed, guys. How we doing, man? You already know, P for pimp. It's still a little bit early, so let's be nice. Stock? Oh yeah, my Angel Eye light went out. Nice. But it's funny, I still had bought some upgraded LEDs for the Angel Eyes. Those should be here like tomorrow or Tuesday, so I'll be able to put that on. Right now I'm Fetty Wap, man. Sorry guys, I've been using my GoPro a lot just because it's a lot lighter and just easier to use. But I know this camera right here does have better quality. That 4K be busting on this one. So look at the interior, guys. The M is really clean. Really clean. So what we're doing today is something a little new, something that I've pretty much never done on any of my cars because I never really approve of it. You guys know that I always wrap like all the roofs on my car black. That's just kind of like my go-to thing to do. What the hell is my boy carrying across the street? My boy about to go catch some butterflies. I'm about to go catch some jellyfish or something. I'm weak. What is that? My dog got a portable trampoline. Just goes around bouncing everywhere. Oh shit, it must be a BMW thing. I'm not the only one. Bro, I feel your pain, dog. I feel your pain. That's exactly how my shit looks right now. So I got the headlights on. All bad. I should have just ordered 2 sets. One for me and one for my boy over here. What is that? As everybody knows, carbon wrap has been around for like a very long time. I would say within the last year and a half, they've had some like decent ones that look okay, but you could just tell that it's just 100% not carbon fiber, you know? But they have this new 6D stuff that I've been seeing my boys doing. And bro, I'm not even gonna lie, but I would say from all the pictures and videos I've seen, this stuff looks about, say like 75%, 80% real. I haven't seen it in person yet, so I'm gonna go look at a roll right now. I think we're just gonna slap it on. I mean, at the end of the day, if I don't like it or if it doesn't meet my standards, then I'll just take it off and do it black. But I'm just real curious to see how good it's gonna look, because some of the videos I've seen, I was pretty impressed. Hopefully it looks good. It'll be a nice addition to the M, since like the E92s come with a carbon roof. That'd be pretty sick. E90 with the carbon roof. I mean, shit, to the average person, they ain't gonna know shit. I might mess around and do the hood too. Shit, I might do the whole car. Don't do it, sir. I got insurance, but don't do it. Let's get a good look at the roof. Alright guys, let me give you a sneak peek of this stuff. Bro, that's crazy. That's freaking rap. Alright guys, let's see it. I got some pictures of it, and honestly this shit looks pretty damn good. So, alright. Damn. I'm not gonna lie guys, this shit looks pretty good. Like, it actually has depth to it. Damn. And this is cool too, they did the antenna. I don't know if you guys remember, that was all scratched up, so that's cool. Honestly impressed. Being a carbon fanatic, I'm pretty impressed, guys. Here's the carbon wrap, and then here's my carbon mirror. I mean, yes, obviously the carbon has more gloss to it, but still, I mean, for this shit just to be a vinyl material, already just that little difference. I mean, damn, like, look at the lip, look at the mirror, now look at the roof. I mean, to an average Joe, bro, I don't think they're really gonna know that this is not carbon. I was telling them, if I put PPF over this, bruh, that shit would look, honestly, like dead ass carbon, because it would give it that extra shine. We in 4K, so I know you guys are seeing that. Honestly, it looks good enough to the point where I feel like I'll just keep it. Like, I was gonna say, like, if I didn't like it, I was just gonna go black, but it really doesn't look that bad. Especially for the roof, you know what I'm saying? Damn. Alright, bet.
3 days later.
Alright guys, so we got a few little things I'm gonna do to the M real quick. I'm gonna install the paddles. I never did it before in an M, but it looks pretty easy. Just have to pretty much pop the airbag off and just unscrew those and replace them. Here are the new ones. You guys can see them. There you go. Definitely a lot better than these. I was gonna get some colored ones, but I was like, it's a little tacky. It's cool. And I have the carbon handle for the emergency brake, which is right here. Very nice, very nice. This little stuff, man, but it just makes a difference, you know? This is fairly easy to take off. So I'm not much of a tutorial person. There's just these little clips right here. You can pop it off with your hand. Everybody else uses a tool, but I just did it with my hand. It's not hard. Just pop it off, be careful, try not to break the clips. And this is what it should look like. Kind of looks like I got a hydro now, bro. This part right here, literally you just pull it off. Like, just pull it. And it is only held on by a zip tie. So, pretty simple, straightforward, really, really easy. It's probably one of the easiest mods to do. That was easy. It's a nice addition, you know? I just feel like every day a real car guy needs to touch some type of carbon fiber. At least like once, just every day. Alright guys, let's get on to the steering wheel. Hopefully I can do this right without messing anything up. I need to disconnect the battery so I don't turn into dead kicks, get my head blown off by the airbag.
Meanwhile, at the Krusty Krab.
So the negative terminal is disconnected. Alright, you guys see this right here? It's like a little butthole. What you want to do, you want to take your screwdriver and you're going to just kind of move around, wiggle it, and at the same time pull on the airbag. And there's like a clip in there that you're going to release, and then airbag just pops out, just like that. So fairly simple. Remember that there's plugs back here, so don't try to like yank it off. I just set it right here, that's fine. There's this little bearing thing. That is very important. Don't lose that. Because if you lose that, then the paddle's not going to work. Here we have the new paddle. Pretty straightforward. Just screw this part in. Yeah, just try not to lose none of these small screws. All this stuff needs to be on there. Alright guys, paddles are on. Make sure when you put the paddle on, see if it clicks. Like move it back and forth, make sure it clicks. That's how you know it's working. If it's not clicking, that little ball bearing's probably not aligned properly. And then if you put everything back on and then your paddles don't work, then you're gonna be screwed and have to take everything back off. Alright guys, click. Click. They feel really good. A lot better. So look, when you were putting the screwdriver in or whatever, through this little hole, the little butt, you see it right there? So it pushes against this little spring right here, and that's what unlocks the airbag. So yeah, I mean, it's really not that hard. A little bit of time consuming, just trying to make sure you don't break any clips or anything. Took me about like 30 minutes. So let's go ahead, clip this airbag back in. It should just clip in, I hope. Yep, there it is, man. Quick, easy install. What if I put them on backwards? The plus was right here, the negatives right here. That'd been pretty funny. I wouldn't over tighten really anything in here because it's mainly plastic, so you don't want to strip it. But yeah, that's done. Only thing now is to drive it, make sure everything works. Paddles feel great. Well guys, paddles look good, feel good overall. A little bit of a better driving experience, not having some dull ass weird paddles. But yeah, man, pretty successful day. I'm trying to think what's next. I'm just waiting on my side splitters to get in, and we're gonna be putting those on. And after that, same with the trunk lid, a few other things. Yeah, man, I'm just pretty much waiting for parts. Stay tuned, guys.